Hey guys, this is Zombie Blaze. I'm here with my friend Xavier. And today, wait, where are we? Okay, sorry. I'm just getting out of school right now, so yeah. This is my school. What the chicken? My school, and see ya. Well,
Let me get my front. I don't know if you guys want to take turns in the front or close in the back. Hold on, you can put your backpack.
we were trying to think of offensive things to say at the anti-bullying thing, and so somebody was like, "Your face is too round," and then everybody looked at me, and I was like, "Oh gosh, that's funny."
You open the trunking.
Okay, sure. Super lift.
This some of these are just papers. And
Sorry if I broke your TV or your
put your
computer,
backpack
whatever
over
it's
there.
called. Can I get the thing that sticks onto the TV?
oh, it's in here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Whoa, it has a lock.
There we are. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna get in the thing called the truck. I'm just kidding. It's called a car.
It's called the car of the narwhals.
Wait. Okay.
What else do you need?
My case. Thanks for holding it.
Your what?
Hey.
Where are they in here?
It's in here.
Okay.
Here, I'll just bring this up with me.
Xavier, do you want to put your bag back here?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Okay.
I've got everything I need in my bag.
Okay. Almost like.
Safety, kids! Hey, blood will spill. No.
Here we go.
Tell them what we're going, Xavier.
We are going to, well, we're going to tell you when we get closer because right now,
We are not even. close.
guess what? It's about 2 hours, maybe 3 minutes, maybe 3 hours. Okay, so we'll tell you when we get there and we'll get close to an hour.
Take off my shoes. We're gonna get dinner, so probably gonna bring the GoPro in. But I'm gonna hide it.
Well, guess what? We're going to Great Wolf Lodge.
Just kidding. Why would we do that? That's the suckiest place ever.
You heard me.
I'm just kidding. That's like the best place.
You haven't even been there.
I don't know.
This is your identical twin. You will go inside this and watch. This is not the waterproof case.
Nope.
Open! Watch the pain of opening your own case. If GoPro people are looking at this right now, please fix it. Okay. Well, it's good because then it don't get into your case. Get into your case. Get into your case. I don't care. It's so hard to close. Okay.
Okay, guys. So this is the weirdo guys. No, it's not.
You put it in backwards.
I know.
Subscribe. Darn it, we forgot to bring the subscribe.
Okay, so gonna do.
Are you sure that will work?
So guys, we can film right here. Here we go. This is what it's meant for. Guys, I don't have no hands.
You can see. You want it? Put the comments down put the comments down below if you want it.
Don't scream because that's gonna mess him up and it's gonna crash and then he's gonna die.
We are.
You can win it. Wink. Wink, wink. Wink a wink.
Actually, do you like Starbucks?
Do you like Starbucks?
I don't care.
Okay, let's go there.
Yeah. Starbucks is
It's on the way. We can pull over and put the address in then.
Sorry guys, I'm just putting on my shoes here. Yeah.
Here. Start up. Ways. So I know which ways to go. Great Wolf Lodge, Williamsburg.
I'm gonna catch you guys. Whoa, your little person is going really like British.
Yep.
Ours is like English-ish.
I had during Christmas time, Ian put R2-D2 on there. You know what that means?
Yeah.
Ooh, I hear on the news that Donald Trump did something bad.
I don't think so.
It's like Donald Trump stole everything from us. What's happening? It's broken. You broke it. He's like messing with buttons right now.
Everything is breaking the breaking.
There we go.
It's like it just.
You can get a side view. I'm just kidding. Dude, I know.
mushroom guy.
I know a secret place. You can put the camera inside your bag, like peeking out, so when you're carrying around your bag, like there's a hole usually. Yeah, I know. And so it has the camera, no one really sees
Seatbelts
it.
on, colors.
Yeah. Why am I singing the freaking Huntingtown song?
I know. I don't know.
I don't know either.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
So do you like hot chocolate? You don't like hot chocolate. You don't like hot chocolate with whipped cream, right?
Exactly.
Ian, what do you want? Hot chocolate?
Oh, why not? I hate it though, but yeah, sure, yes, please. So guys, I'm just gonna play a little Black Ops on my DS.
I didn't know that you could have that.
What? Look, I'll show you. Look,
I have
show
a
you, guys.
3DS. I could have brought that, but
Look,
there's so much to
Black
it.
Ops. Look, I'll show you. I'll even show you.
Take a picture of the camera.
So, Xavier, did you do the wand storybook thing at Great Wolf Lodge before?
Probably not.
Wand storybook thingy?
Yeah, that's the way it was described to me.
The wand
Some
storybook.
wand, and you use it. We'll find out about it.
Look.
I didn't buy it because I'm not sure if it was something like too childish, or if it'd be something that you guys would like to
The
do.
wand storybook thingy.
Thing.
I need to add thingy in the end.
Oh, dude,
When we first get to the front desk, I'm gonna be like, "Do you have that wand? What's the wand
I'll say that.
thingy majiggy?"
What's the deal? Yeah, that's the way I was talking. What's the deal with the one storybook thing?
I dare you.
Of course I'll say that.
Yes! What's the frickin' deal about this frickin' story wand thingy?
Yo, mister, what's the deal with the one storybook thing?
I dare you. I dare you.
And then it's gonna be like, "Yo, mister, I don't care."
So guys, I just took you off the stand right now. There it is. You're on this again. And I'm gonna just here. Could you hold it while I do? And then you can play after.
John Cena.
I'm gonna do zombies. Look. No, I don't wanna do that thing.
So it's 16:02. We're on the way.
1602 military time. Military.
You do know I told my mom and dad to watch the videos.
Okay.
That's nice. That's a nice picture.
Children, watch this.
Look, aim for the
Guess what?
arms.
Guess what his Xbox account name is?
Zumzy Blaze.
And guess what the caption is? Boom, headshot.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe.
Everybody friend Zumzy Blaze and then spam him for days.
Die. Ooh, double points. Don't kill me, zombie.
You
I
died.
died.
Rage monster. Oh, guess what? Today at school, the teacher was unleashing which clubs would do what, and Ian got in club number 2, and guess what club number 3 was? Fishing.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't get in club number 2. I wanted to, but nobody knows like how to draw fish. Besides you.
He's the man. Ask him for the fishies. Teleportation.
So guys, should we do part 2 of going to?
I have one that he had left in the apartment that I'm working on. Phase 2 period. I have one.
Enter the backpack.
That he left in the apartment along with his toothpaste.
Get
Period.
in the backpack. Ooh.
Are you feeling any better? Question mark.
The money.
Beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. I just found this. I found it.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I found it.
Something's wrong.
Take it.
Why is it so small? No. No.
John,
Jonathan took pictures of himself. No. No.
is that wrong?
Guys, so I left my phone at Jonathan's house, right? Look at the pictures he took. That's one.
Let me see. One. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna send it to him. It looks like Google.
Oh. That poopy man. I'm just kidding. I don't even know who he is.
Oh, it's Jonathan. Everybody look.
Jonathan the cat. JKS Piper. Everybody knows that.
I broke his phone.
Lost
device.
His phone is the most ugly picture I've ever seen. Look at that, guys. She's like, just like.
Did you get the antivirus installed? Question mark.
So, guys, we're going to end the video there. We'll go do part 2 next time. So, see you. Here, actually, guys, I'm going to film.
Darn it.
It's still going.
Darn it.
Why is that?
I'm gonna
Did you
take
get
one.
your
I just took a picture. Save.
antivirus installed? Question? Did you get your antivirus? You keep stopping. It's the word "did you" and then kaput.
I did something.
Did you get your antivirus installed easily? Question mark?